Welcome to the future of mobile living. Imagine a compact, fully equipped camper that's not a van or an RV but a tricycle, one that lets you explore the world at your own pace, without the need for fuel or parking nightmares. Meet the 2025 Nomadic-Nest Camper Tricycle, a game-changer for travelers, adventurers, and eco-conscious nomads. In today's video, we'll take you through its design, features, benefits, and real-world usability, so stick around to see if this is the future of minimalist travel. At first glance, the Nomadic-Nest looks like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, sleek, aerodynamic, and engineered for maximum efficiency. It's a hybrid between an electric tricycle and a microcamper, designed for self-sufficiency and sustainability. White heavy checkmark human-powered pedaling for exercise and control. White heavy checkmark electric assist motor for smooth, effortless travel. White heavy checkmark built-in solar panels to keep you charged anywhere. Made from a combination of lightweight aluminum alloy and carbon fiber, the frame is both strong and weather-resistant. It's built to withstand long journeys, whether you're biking through cities, forests, or coastal roads. Unlike traditional tricycles, the Nomadic-Nest comes with a fully enclosed, insulated cabin, meaning protection from rain, wind, and extreme temperatures. The side panels open up to allow fresh air in, while the retractable roof gives you a skylight experience at night. Imagine sleeping under the stars, all from the comfort of your tiny camper. Despite its robust features, it weighs around 150 kilograms, 330 pounds, light enough to pedal yet sturdy enough for stability. It's compact enough to fit into bike lanes but spacious enough to stretch your legs inside. Now, let's talk about how this tricycle moves and keeps you going off the grid. The Nomadic-Nest is equipped with a 250W or 750W electric motor that provides a smooth, effortless ride. You can switch between white heavy checkmark pedal-only mode for a workout, white heavy checkmark electric assist mode for relaxed cruising, white heavy checkmark full electric mode for a hands-free ride. The built-in lithium-ion battery offers a range of 50 to 100 miles, 80 to 160 kilometers per charge, depending on terrain and usage. And here's the best part: solar panels on the roof charge the battery throughout the day, giving you a renewable energy source anywhere you travel. No gas, no fuel costs, just pure, free energy from the sun. Now, let's step inside the cabin and see how this tiny space is optimized for comfort and practicality. A foldable, memory foam mattress turns the interior into a cozy sleeping space at night. The clever design allows for storage compartments underneath for your gear and essentials. A pull-out kitchenette includes white heavy checkmark a small electric stove, powered by the battery. White heavy checkmark a mini fridge for fresh food. White heavy checkmark water storage and foldable sink. Hammer and wrench multifunctional space. Everything inside is designed to convert for different uses. The bed folds up to create a seating area, and the side doors double as workspace tables. It's the ultimate micro-home on wheels. One big question people ask is this safe on the road? The answer? Yes. The Nomadic-Nest is designed to comply with bike lane regulations and urban travel laws, making it street legal in most places. It includes heavy checkmark LED headlights and taillights for night riding. Heavy checkmark turn signals and brake lights for visibility. Heavy checkmark a horn and mirrors for added safety. With its low center of gravity and three-wheel stability, it's much safer than a traditional bicycle or scooter, especially when carrying extra weight. Globe showing Europe-Africa eco-conscious travelers who want a zero-emission way to explore. Person biking cyclists and van lifers looking for a compact, mobile home alternative. Camping off-grid campers and adventurers who love being self-sufficient. Cityscape urban commuters wanting a car-free lifestyle without sacrificing comfort. Whether you're touring across the country or just enjoying weekend getaways, the Nomadic-Nest makes adventure accessible and sustainable. The base model starts at around $4,500 to $6,000, depending on the customization options. That's a fraction of the cost of an RV or van conversion. Some of the optional upgrades include hammer and wrench extended battery pack for more range. Sun upgraded solar panels for faster charging. Bicycle stronger motor for tougher terrains. White heavy checkmark it's eco-friendly. White heavy checkmark it's affordable. White heavy checkmark. It's practical for urban and rural travel. For those looking to live minimally, travel freely, and embrace sustainability, this might just be the perfect ride for you. Let us know in the comments, would you try the Nomadic-Nest, and where would you take it first? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more exciting innovations like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure. Bicycle Sparkles.